What's going on, guys? It's Angel Dragons here, and let's be real, who wouldn't want to make an extra £10,000 a month? We all know AI is blowing up right now, right? It's everywhere. From self-driving cars to those eerily accurate Netflix recommendations. But what you might not know is how AI can be used to generate serious income. And I'm not talking about pennies, I'm talking about potentially adding 5 figures to your bottom line every single month. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be easy, but with the right tools and strategies, it's totally achievable. We're going to dive deep into the world of AI and uncover how you can leverage its power to make some serious cash. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to break down 5 key areas where AI is absolutely crushing it right now, and I'm going to give you the exact strategies you can use to start profiting from it. Before you dive headfirst into the world of AI, you need to know what you're diving into. There are tons of AI tools out there, and I mean tons. Each one has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's crucial to choose the ones that align perfectly with your business goals. Think of it like this. You wouldn't use a hammer to tighten a screw, right? The same goes for AI. You need the right tool for the right job, so before you even think about spending a dime, take a good hard look at your business. What are your pain points? Where are you wasting the most time and money? Once you know the answers to those questions, you can start narrowing down your options and selecting the AI tools that are going to give you the biggest bang for your buck. For example, if you're drowning in customer service emails, an AI-powered chatbot could be your lifesaver. On the other hand, if you're struggling to create engaging content, an AI writing assistant could be your new best friend. The key here is to be strategic and choose the tools that directly address your specific needs. Remember, not all AI tools are created equal, so do your research, read reviews, and maybe even try out a few free trials before committing to a paid plan. Time is money, right? We've all heard that one before, but it's never been truer than it is in today's fast-paced world. That's where AI comes in and swoops in to save the day. One of the biggest benefits of AI is its ability to automate those tedious, repetitive tasks that suck the life out of your workday. Think about all those hours you spend each week on things like data entry, scheduling appointments, or sending out follow-up emails. Now imagine if you could hand all of that over to an AI assistant who could do it all for you, flawlessly 24/7. That's the power of AI automation. It frees up your time so you can focus on the things that really matter, like growing your business and, actually enjoying your life outside of work. There are tons of AI tools out there designed specifically for automation, from simple task managers to complex marketing automation platforms. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech whiz to use them. Most of these tools are incredibly user-friendly, even for the most technologically challenged among us. Trust me, if I can figure it out, anyone can. Chapter 3. Unlocking the Matrix, using AI to decode your data. We live in a world that's drowning in data. Every click, every like, every purchase generates a massive amount of information. But here's the thing. Data is useless unless you know what to do with it. That's where AI comes in like a data-crunching superhero. AI-powered analytics tools can sift through mountains of data in seconds, uncovering hidden patterns, trends, and insights that would take a human analyst days, weeks, or even months to find. Think about it. You could spend hours staring at spreadsheets, trying to make sense of all those numbers. Or you could let AI do the heavy lifting for you and deliver those juicy insights right to your doorstep. With AI-powered data analysis, you can understand your customers better than ever before. You'll know what they want, when they want it, and how much they're willing to pay for it. That means you can create laser-targeted marketing campaigns, optimize your pricing strategies, and develop products and services that your customers will absolutely love. Data is power, and AI gives you the keys to the kingdom. Chapter 4. The Personal Touch, using AI to make every customer feel like a VIP. Remember the days of generic marketing blasts that felt about as personal as a robocall? Thankfully, those days are long gone. In today's hyper-competitive market, personalized marketing is the name of the game. Customers want to feel valued, understood, and like they're more than just a number in your database. That's where AI comes in and works its magic. AI-powered marketing tools can analyze customer data in real time, creating highly personalized experiences that feel tailor-made for each individual. Imagine sending out email campaigns that dynamically adjust content based on a customer's past behavior, browsing history, and even their location. Or how about serving up personalized product recommendations that are so spot on it's like you're reading their minds? That's the power of AI-driven personalization. It allows you to connect with your customers on a deeper level, build stronger relationships, and ultimately drive more sales. And the best part is it's all automated, so you can focus on the big picture while AI takes care of the individual touches. Chapter 5, Level Up Your AI Game, the never-ending quest for optimization. The world of AI is constantly evolving, which means your AI strategies need to evolve right along with it. The key to long-term success with AI is continuous optimization. Don't just set it and forget it. Regularly review your AI tools and strategies, looking for ways to improve their performance and get even better results. Think of it like fine-tuning a high-performance engine. You need to make small adjustments along the way to keep it running at peak efficiency. Stay up to date on the latest AI trends and advancements, experiment with new tools and features, and most importantly, track your results like a hawk. Analyze your data, identify areas for improvement, and don't be afraid to make changes if something isn't working. The beauty of AI is that it's incredibly flexible and adaptable, allowing you to constantly refine your strategies and stay ahead of the curve. Remember, the goal here is to create a self-learning system that gets smarter and more effective over time. By embracing continuous optimization, you can ensure that your AI investments continue to pay off for years to come. So there you have it, guys. 5 powerful ways AI can help you crush it in business and potentially add an extra £10,000 to your bottom line every single month. Remember, AI isn't some futuristic fantasy, it's here right now, and it's changing the game. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned entrepreneur, there's an AI solution out there waiting to take your business to the next level. The key is to take action. Don't just watch this video and do nothing with it. Start exploring the world of AI today and see how it can transform your business and your life. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and smash that like button, leave a comment below with your biggest takeaway, and subscribe to the channel for more game-changing tips on using technology to make money and achieve financial freedom.